In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. Now, to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Telegram on your browser, since this setting feature is only available on the Telegram web. Now, sign into your account. Once you're signed in, head over to the menu section and click on the settings button to head over to the settings page. Now on the settings page, click on privacy and security, and in here you'll be able to find the sensitive content settings. So make sure to check this disable filtering checkbox to not hide media that contains content suitable only for adults. This will allow you to view sensitive content on Telegram, since Telegram has a filtering settings that will keep the sensitive contents unviewable for those who have this unchecked. And that's how you can simply enable sensitive content on Telegram. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.